Good Saturday evening, everybody. A little quick stash ad here to everybody. And this right here is my new GoPro 10. I did a video last night on it, and Monty gave us a little phone call for the girls. It turned out real good. Monty was very happy, overjoyed. Make those girls happy. Sammy's still talking about it. So yeah, she's very happy. Made her day. But anyway, let's see. I guess I can just go ahead and with the Amazon. Got the Mark Setter, Mark Salter. I figure I'd try these out. I don't know if this is supposed to be milky like that. Y'all let me know. First time getting these. I got this from A to Z Hobby, Toy Hobby there. Yep. First time getting anything from them. I don't know where they're out of. But I do know that this GoPro that I have here, I got in under 24 hours. Never gotten anything that quick, not even the code. But it came supposedly ordered from Jersey. I think it got shipped out from like St. Louis, Nashville, or Indianapolis, somewhere real close by where I live. Because it was like 20 hours and it was at the front door. But yeah, maybe a splash run. Pick me up some lacquer thinner. This is mainly for my primers that I got from Acme. I want to make sure if they get gunky again, I'm using their lacquer. Then I got these four are called their interior colors. Got the tan. Sorry, lacquer. The just red, I guess, plain old red. This is mainly going to be used for the for this kit. So it's a tan. I don't know. I figured something out. Dark oak. And your basic black. Next, two Lamborghini colors. I've got the Rosa Mars and Rancio Argos. Going back to this one, Rosa. I figured that'd been a Ferrari color, but on the picture of this, it shows a Lamborghini. So anyway, then all of these are their metallizers. Figure I'd try some of them, being I've got this kit here. I'd like to do some metallizing on the frame and the exhaust and stuff. So starting out, I got the steel. They're titanium. Oh, two. I ordered two by accident. I only hit one, but somehow it threw me on as two, which is fine by me. And gave me something to fall back on in case, I run low. And then this is their Hyper Silver. Never used this stuff. All new to me. And it comes with, it advises you when you order this to get this with it. It is the 2K Gloss Black. Mixed ratio 4:1. Okay, I'm glad they did that because I looked on the website. It didn't show me at all. Learn a lesson. Read everything. Along with the clear coat, I've got up there beside the Land Rover, which is up there because of the Challenger. It's got a catalyst. Urethane catalyst. That goes with that. So yeah, that would be, I don't know, something weird to play with. But yeah, this is my pretty much main haul. Did go to Walmart, and for once they had some Gundams, not the building kind. Sorry, Skelly. Oh, I mean Little Mac. I need to work on him. I need to build him up, but man, I've been busy. But anyway, we got Char's Zaku 2 MS06S. Haven't taken this one out. And we've got this bugger. New Gundam Rx93. Yep. It is fully articulated. Thing is, you don't build it up like these bad boys. More like real grade, high grade size. So, yeah. I do believe that might be it, folks. I did pick up some really, I call them really old. Half of them are back from 98 and 99. Yeah, that would be the phone that dinged. But yeah, I'll do a separate video of that. But there's something else. Where did it go? Oh, yeah. Sorry, Terry, I almost forgot. I got Old Big Country's shop card. This thing is freaking awesome. Photo paper. Beautiful. Beautiful Ford. Thank you, sir. Okay, I already got a hold of Cliff. I will send yours out probably Monday morning. I might grab it up, put it, get it all set up in the drawer. But for right now, I'm just going to relax tonight. Yeah, I have not yet put my kits up from Acme. There's the box for the new Gundam right there. But yeah, I still got them sitting here. I'll get around to it sometime soon. But yeah. Oh yeah, when I do those Hot Wheels, I'll do all these too. Here you are, Brian. This is the one I was going to bring. There we go. Pretty nice. And yes, this bumbling idiot just let it lay here. But anyway, yeah, I'm getting pretty good. Stocked up on splash paints. I got a few. That was an old. These ones I first started out with, the Wicked Colors. But yeah, these are pretty much empty. I need to restock on them. And these are my new ones. The gray, the red and black. I've got a little bit of the gray left. It's old. I may just say heck with it. But yeah. Anyway, I'm done. I'm not going to babble too much tonight. So, hope y'all have fun. Have a good weekend. What's left of it. And we will talk to y'all later. So long, everybody.